Don't forget to subscribe.
Lena stands at the edge of a crumbling dock floating over a flooded city. The world is gray and waterlogged, with remnants of buildings peeking through the fog. She gently places a small paper boat on the water. Lena watches as the boat sails away, her fingers brushing the wind. The horizon pulses faintly with electric auroras on unnatural ripple in the sky. Lena descends into a half-submerged subway station. Flickering neon signs glow underwater. She finds an old map sealed in a waterproof capsule. Inside an abandoned control room, Lena powers up a console. A distorted voice plays an old promise of rescue. Lena overlays the map with her tracker. Each boat sent is marked by a glowing blue duotone is moving. Lena hides from strange biomechanical creatures tide walker swaying the ruins. Their eyes scan for movement. On the roof of a flooded school, a single dead tree glows faintly with data roots and organic transmitter. A flicker on her communicator, someone responds. It's brief, but the voice is real. The voice was cracked and soft, like someone remembering how to speak after a long winter. Lena sails a small solar raft through glowing storm glass, giant shards of crystallized atmosphere floating in the sea. On a tiny island of tech and wreckage, a girl stands with a mirror signaling. It's not Lena. I wasn't the only one who folded hope into paper. Somewhere, someone else believed it could still float. The two girls finally meet. No words, just a shared gaze and a promise sealed in silence. In a world built from silence, sometimes meeting another soul is louder than 1,000 voices. Together they enter a floating relic library, tethered by vines and memory. Books hum with quiet energy. It rains for the first time in your soft golden rain. The city breathes again. The skies wept gold, not for sorrow, but for beginning again, for the promises that learned how to wait. Lena folds one last boat, this time with both their names. She sets it free into calm waters. The last boat didn't carry a message, just a promise that someday someone would find it and remember we were here.